मेरा नाम अनिल ठारवानी है और मैं ठारवानी रियल्टी का चेयरमैन और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ।
Hi, I am Dhiren Tharwani, Director of Tharwani Realty.
This is Abhishek Tharwani, Director at Tharwani Realty. We have already delivered 35 plus projects across Panvel, Navi Mumbai, Ambernath, Badlapur and now in Kalyan. I'm the third generation taking this legacy ahead.
At Tharwani Realty, we don't believe in shortcuts. We ensure that every home built should last for generations. 30 years of legacy, 35 plus projects completed and over 3,000 families happily living here. And I'm being the third generation and it's now my responsibility to take it forward and give you all the best luxury feeling that a customer needs.
तो हम लोग 2 साल से फ्लैट देखने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और फिर हमें ये प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ तो हम जब विजिट किए हमने सैंपल फ्लैट देखा। इट वाज वेरी गुड, द स्पेस एंड एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी गुड। सो हमें बहुत ही पसंद आया वो और फिर हमने थोड़ा डिस्कशन करने के बाद आफ्टर टेकिंग ऑल द थॉट हमने ये फ्लैट बुक कर लिया और हम बहुत ही खुश हैं हमारे डिसीजन के बारे में।
Any customer who thinks of buying a home in Tharwani Realty, first thing comes to his mind is a grand elevation with grand arches and intricate detailing, as we build a Roman architecture with a modern engineering. But beauty alone is not enough. We also ensure that we do the great technique for the durability and safety of our customers.
हर इंसान का एक सपना होता है, एक बेहतरीन घर हो, एक सुरक्षित इन्वेस्टमेंट हो और एक अच्छा फ्यूचर हो।
Our approach isn't just about numbers, it's about people. We take time to understand what the customer needs, we build accordingly. So now we are coming up with phase 2, 3 BHK unit, 250 plus units of 3 BHK in a 45-story towers having infinity pool on 36th floor and 40,000 plus square feet of a landscaped garden. Now with our 3 BHK launch, we have planned 3 BHK with a spacious layout, big balconies, ventilation in every nook and corner of the home that ensures your comfort. So now looking at the response from you all in 2 BHK, having selling majority of the units via channel partners, we are coming up with even more better opportunities for you to earn. A home isn't just a place, it's a feeling. 3 BHK apartments are craftfully designed, keeping in mind the customer's needs. At Tharwani Realty, we understand that buying a home is the biggest decision of a person's life. Hence, we take this process very seriously and we ensure to make it smooth and transparent.
While planning and building Majestic Towers, we plan for the same things, that a customer should get the proper quality and not just a home, but it should be a legacy that passes over generations. And our motive for building Majestic Towers was that a customer once visit a Majestic Towers, it should not feel like he or she is just entering a home. He should feel like he is entering into a luxury and a legacy. And while planning Majestic Towers, me and my team were focused on bringing new innovations and techniques. As we know, we were building a tallest tower in the Kalyan, and we not only have promised it but have fulfilled it, as you can see it.
I'm here to thank you all for making phase 1 a big success. So now I would like to address our business partners जिन्होंने हमारा phase 1 प्रोजेक्ट इतना सक्सेसफुल बनाया। अब हम phase 2 में उनके लिए even more better opportunities के साथ आ रहे हैं।
And I would like to thank our business partners who are continuously working with us and are continuing to do so. As you all know, phase 1 was a grand success as we sold more than 250 units in a short span of time, which was not easy without your support.
आज इस ग्रैंड सक्सेस के मुहूर्त पर मुझे ऐसा प्राउड फील हो रहा है, जो हमने सपना देखा था वो पूरा किया और आप सबका भरोसा ही हमारी असली जीत। अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सिर्फ ग्रैंड सक्सेस पार्टी है तो रुकिए, ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है, ये सफ़र और भी आगे ले जाना है। एक नई सोच लेके हमारे और नए प्रोजेक्ट आने वाले हैं।
मैंने और भी प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखी बट व्हेन आई केम हियर तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई कॉल्ड हिम एंड सेड मुझे बस यही चाहिए, मुझे और कहीं नहीं जाना है।
आज मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, मुझे एक ही चीज़ याद आ रही है, वो दिन जब मैंने ये सफ़र स्टार्ट किया था। ठारवानी मैजेस्टिक टावर एक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, एक विज़न है, एक सपना है जो मैंने आप सबके साथ देखा था।